Have you ever wondered how many ships and planes have vanished in the Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious stretch of ocean known for unsolved disappearances? Could these be due to natural phenomena, human error, or something even more enigmatic? Let's delve into the facts and mysteries, starting with one of the Triangle's most captivating stories, the SS Cotopaxi. The disappearance of SS Cotopaxi. In 1925, the SS Cotopaxi disappeared en route from Charleston, South Carolina, to Havana, Cuba. For years, its fate remained unknown, until researchers discovered a wreck off St. Augustine, Florida, decades later. It wasn't until January 2020 that marine biologists confirmed this wreck was the Cotopaxi. Surprisingly, the ship wasn't found inside the Bermuda Triangle, reigniting debates about whether its sinking had anything to do with the triangle at all. Adding to the mystery, new investigations reveal the SS Cotopaxi sent distress signals before disappearing, possibly indicating a structural failure or rogue waves. But could that explain other disappearances? The birth of the Bermuda Triangle myth. Stretching over an estimated 500,000 to 1.5 million square miles, the Bermuda Triangle lies between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. Despite not being officially marked on maps, it has fascinated the world since Vincent Gaddis coined the term in 1964. He highlighted the region as a hotbed of unexplained vanishing acts with hundreds of ships and aircraft going missing. This fascination isn't new. Some tales trace back to Christopher Columbus himself. While crossing the region in 1492, Columbus reported seeing strange lights in the sky, describing them as dancing lights. Even his compass began malfunctioning, a problem encountered by many who dared to cross the triangle. Flight 19, a mystery that changed the narrative. One of the Triangle's most iconic cases is Flight 19, a squadron of 5 Navy bombers that disappeared in 1945. Led by Lieutenant Charles Taylor, the group lost contact after reporting faulty compasses. The most bizarre aspect is the disappearance of a rescue plane sent to find them. It too vanished without a trace. Search crews found no wreckage, further fueling the legend. Initially blamed on pilot error, the cause of the disappearance was changed to unknown, but is that enough to explain away such a profound mystery? Bruce Gernon, a case for time travel? In 1970, pilot Bruce Gernon had an encounter unlike any other. While flying over the Bermuda Triangle, he claimed to have entered a strange fog-like tunnel. His flight, which should have taken over an hour, ended up lasting just 35 minutes, as if he had traveled through time. He described feeling as though time itself had distorted around him. Gernon later co-authored a book called The Fog to recount this experience, proposing that electronic fog or spatial anomalies could be behind other triangle disappearances. The theory of electromagnetic vortexes. Modern theories expand on Gernon's account, suggesting that electromagnetic vortexes or gravitational anomalies could be at play. These theories argue that powerful forces in the triangle could bend light, disrupt radio signals, and cause aircraft or ships to disappear into alternate dimensions or realities. Some researchers speculate that high concentrations of energy fields in the area may create a type of wormhole, allowing objects to vanish or be teleported elsewhere. Rogue waves and hexagonal clouds, nature's wrath? While mystical theories abound, scientific explanations like rogue waves and hexagonal clouds offer more grounded possibilities. Rogue waves, massive ocean waves, sometimes over 100 feet high, are thought to arise suddenly, sinking even large vessels. In 2016, satellite imagery revealed unusual hexagonal-shaped clouds above the Bermuda Triangle, capable of producing winds exceeding 170 miles per hour and creating enormous waves. These natural forces might explain many shipwrecks and aircraft losses, but do they explain the absence of debris or wreckage? Even the most devastating storm or wave would leave some trace behind, which only deepens the mystery. Methane gas eruptions, the ocean's deadly secret. Another scientific theory involves methane gas eruptions from the ocean floor. These gas bursts could reduce water density, sinking ships instantly. Although studies show methane hydrates exist in the region, researchers from the U.S. Geological Survey state that no significant releases have occurred in the Bermuda Triangle within the past 15,000 years, making this explanation less likely for modern incidents. Magnetic anomalies, compasses gone awry. The Bermuda Triangle is also infamous for its magnetic anomalies. In certain parts of the region, the Earth's natural magnetic field is said to fluctuate, potentially causing navigational instruments like compasses to malfunction. This has led many to believe that ships and planes are more likely to stray off course and get lost. Historical records show that as early as the 19th century, sailors reported strange compass behavior when entering the triangle's waters. New research into magnetite deposits on the ocean floor adds an extra layer to this mystery. Some scientists believe the interaction between these magnetic minerals and the Earth's magnetic field could disrupt instruments, creating confusion for pilots and sailors alike. Giant squids, monsters of the deep. Could the legends of giant sea creatures pulling ships beneath the waves hold a kernel of truth? The existence of giant squids, long the stuff of legend, was confirmed in the 19th century. Some grow over 50 feet long, and their immense size and strength make them formidable hunters. While giant squids haven't been known to attack large vessels, their presence in the triangle adds a dash of myth to the modern mystery. The Bermuda Triangle isn't the only location where strange disappearances occur. The Devil's Sea, or Dragon's Triangle near Japan, has earned a similar reputation, with many ships and planes disappearing under mysterious circumstances. Like the Bermuda Triangle, this area is also known for tectonic activity, adding a possible link between underwater geological events and disappearances. Additionally, the Michigan Triangle in the Great Lakes has its own eerie history of vanishing vessels and unexplained crashes. More ships? More disappearances? Skeptics often point to the heavy traffic in the Bermuda Triangle to explain the high number of disappearances. As one of the world's busiest shipping lanes, it naturally sees more accidents. But what makes these incidents so baffling is the lack of wreckage. In many cases, ships, planes, and even their passengers vanish completely, leaving no trace behind. Conclusion: a mystery with no end in sight. Could the disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle be chalked up to natural phenomena, human error, or something stranger? Despite the scientific theories and technological advancements, no definitive explanation exists. The lack of wreckage, malfunctioning instruments, and eerie eyewitness accounts continue to fuel speculation, making the Bermuda Triangle one of the world's most enduring mysteries. Whatever